Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to solve the pattern cube in a cube in a cube. Okay, so basically there'll be three cubes. This is the first cube, then second cube will be here, and third cube will be this one piece only. Okay, so I'll show you stepwise process. Okay, so it's very easy. You just have to follow the steps, and first of all you have to go and solve a 3x3 Rubik's cube. Okay, so if you do not know how to solve it and you are brand new, just watch my previous videos where I have shown you how to solve the first layer, second layer, and finally the third layer. Okay, so it's very stepwise process. It's beginner friendly, and for this method you have to go and just watch the screen out here and just follow along. Okay, so just follow along with me, and you can solve a Rubik's cube in a cube in a cube. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, this upper layer you have to just move it to anti-clockwise. Then this left layer you have to move it up. Then again upper layer anti-clockwise, the front layer anti-clockwise. Okay, so this right layer 2 times, 1 2 times. Okay, so and now the back layer, you are holding this cube this way, just slightly turn it here and just move it to this anti-clockwise. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so after that again go to the right layer once, front layer clockwise. Now everything is going to be clockwise, okay, for a little while. Then upper layer once. Now again back layer, we did it anti-clockwise, now we have to do it clockwise 2 times. Okay, so 1 2 times. Okay, so after that upper layer once clockwise, and this back layer now just do it once anti-clockwise. Now this left layer do it once below, upper layer once anti-clockwise, front layer once, upper layer once, right layer once, and the final layer is this front layer anti-clockwise. Okay, so once you do that, the final output is this. Just look at it. This is a cube inside a cube. This is the second cube, and this is the third cube. Okay, so now this pattern looks awesome. Okay, so again if you turn it upside down, you'll see the same thing. Okay, so you can see that there is a cube out here, and again there is a cube out here, and there is a cube out here. Okay, so it's a cube in a cube in a cube pattern. Okay, so now this, just go and you can memorize the algorithm so that you can boast about it in some parties or wherever with your friends and family. Okay, so I'll come with the next pattern. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you love Rubik's cube, if you love puzzles, I'll leave a link on the first comment of this video so that you can go and get a Rubik's cube, and you can also go and buy other puzzles. Okay, so thank you very much for supporting me. Please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye bye.